Hey folks, Chris here with MPC. Today we're going to take this remote start and install into this 2023 Ford Bronco Sport. Now this kit's going to cover from 2021 to 2023 Ford Bronco Sport Push-to-Start. Let's get started. Okay, let's go ahead and show you what's in the box. There's a label on your side that you're going to get that's on your box. There's a QR code there that you're going to be able to scan. That way you can get your tip sheet and instructions on doing the installation. Let's go ahead and open the box and show you what's included here. First we have the EvoAll remote start module. This is the MPC panel puller, and then the included plug-and-play T-harness for the installation of the vehicle. Some additional paperwork. Let's go ahead and show you what tools you're going to need to complete this install. These are the tools we're going to need today to complete our install. We're going to be using the MPC panel puller, some electrical tape, zip ties, and the wire cutters for the zip ties. That's all we're going to need for today. Let's get started. To start the install, we're going to have to remove this lower dash panel. To gain access to removing this panel, we're going to pop off this small panel right here. You'll go ahead and pull your molding loose. Then you'll take your pry tool, pry it right in. That will pop out, and that accesses this portion here. Now we're going to be able to pull off this lower dash panel. Okay, so to access this, you'll notice that there's a split here in the middle of this panel. Only this left side of the panel is going to be removed. All you need to do is grab it from here. It'll snap out and also clip off from the top. And you unplug the parking light connector and pull it aside. That's going to allow you access into here and give you complete access to the back side of the gateway connector. Okay, so with everything exposed here now, you're going to reach behind the OBD2 connector and you're going to unplug the gateway connector here. This will plug into the T-harness like so, and then we're going to plug the T-harness into the back of the gateway connector. Clip it into place. That puts your T-harness there. You can take this cabling and you'll run it up right through here for the mounting location of the module. Okay, we're ready now to go ahead and program this module. To do so, we're going to press and hold down this program button, and we're going to keep holding it down. While holding it down, you plug in black 4-pin connector. The lights are going to flash, and what we want to do is let go when we see a solid single blue light. There we go. Now you plug in the white 5-pin connector. There we go. And we're going to turn the ignition key to the on position and wait for the blue light to come back on flashing. There we go. Now that it's flashing, turn the ignition to the off position. The blue light will turn off. The module is now programmed and we're ready to start the vehicle. Now that the module is programmed, we're going to go ahead and do a real quick test start before we button up the dash. Start the vehicle. It is lock, unlock, lock. Module will activate, ignitions will come on, and it'll start in a few seconds. To remote start your vehicle, you're going to press lock, unlock, lock, lock, unlock, lock. This is going to activate the remote start and the vehicle should start shortly. To do a takeover, simply press the unlock button on your remote control, enter your vehicle, close the door. Once you've entered the vehicle, you'll press the push to start button. The remote start will stop, the engine will take over. This time here you can step on the brake pedal, put your vehicle in gear, and drive off.